Next speaker, Mr. John Whittaker. Did I say that correctly, John?
It's hard to follow that. Good afternoon, gentlemen and lady.
Introduce yourself, John.
My name is John Whittaker. I'm president of Paso por Paso and a member of the Coalition to Ban Alcohol Ads on the City Property. And Council File number 11-1429, which was introduced 16 months ago, has had no action on behalf of the committee in the Public Safety Committee, and we are encouraging, and we've gone to the committee, we've gone to extreme matters to try and ask them to please get this off of the table and discuss it so that it can come before you. For whatever reason, it has not come to you yet. We are encouraging the members of that committee to please do due diligence, follow the job that you have been asked to do. You are the city fathers and mothers of our city. We do not want alcohol ads that are produced by people making money through the city. It is costing billions of dollars in harm caused to the city of Los Angeles, and we are asking that at least this get taken off of the table and into discussion. Thank you.
Thank you. And then we have your name, sir?
Mr. President, Ms. Perry.
State your name, sir.
Kevin Michael Key.
Thank you, Kevin.
All right. Mr. President, Ms. Perry, Mr. Weezar, Mr. Cardenas, Mr. Englander is conspicuously absent. I'm here as a representative of Skid Row, the world's largest recovery community. I live and work there. I work for United Coalition East Prevention Project. We are part of the Coalition to Ban Alcohol Ads on all public property. This matter has been before committee, languishing there for 16 months. Approximately 6 months ago, it was sent out for a report. It has a shelf life or ordinance of 2 years. We are respectfully requesting the committee members and the entire council to push for this matter to have a fair hearing. Our children deserve as much. What we seek is a ban on alcohol advertising on public property because we believe that it targets our youth. And Skid Row recently, 2 of our homeless community members were struck down and killed by an underage teenage driver. We don't believe that this great city should profit from alcohol, and so we were simply asking that we get this matter out of committee so that we can have a full and fair public hearing and it bring to a vote. Thank you for your time.
Paul Scott, Michael Scipia, is that correct? Ruben Rodriguez? Ulla Pacheco? Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President and members of the City Council. Several of the names you called, they had to leave. It's been a while. We didn't realize public comment had been moved to the very end. So hopefully, maybe a happy medium would be if public comment would be in the middle of the meeting. It might make it more practical for the people that wait. I know there's 100 issues. But again, my name is Ruben Rodriguez. I'm chair of the LA Coalition to Ban Alcohol Advertising on all city-owned property. And we're here to, I'm chiming in also on a request for the Public Safety Committee, CLA's office, to please move this issue out of the committee and back to City Council. The original request was made by Councilmember Alarcón to draft an ordinance, prepare a report back in August of 2011, which has been about 15 months already, and no action has been taken. We need to question If there's other reasons why that's not happening, it's, you know, it's a long time. I know it's, there's a lot of issues, but we're requesting some efficiency, perhaps, in our request. You know, in the private sector, if a board of directors makes a request, you know, and it takes a year and a half, almost 2 years to get it done, I mean, obviously that company would go broke. And so we're asking that for some due diligence, we're asking that it please be moved out of the committee. We're asking Councilmember Englander to please take some action. About over a year ago, Martin Outdoor Media was granted a contract on the city benches for advertising, and the city took a very good position. Martin Outdoor Media also agreed to get the contract with no alcohol advertising. We think that there's no great impact on the city fiscal impact, but the human cost is terrible.
Thank you very much. Next speaker, if you could introduce yourself.
My name is Ulla Pacheco, and I've been here a couple of times before on alcohol-related issues. I used to be the Hispanic area manager for the largest brewery in the world. I know quite a bit about the alcohol industry. I also know how it works and the influence that it can have on government. And I question as to why, when you're given a directive by this council to do something in 60 days, it takes over a year to try to get anything out. And one of the things that I question is whether or not there's a conflict of interest. So I would ask, please, for this council to investigate whether the chair of the Public Safety Committee has an actual conflict of interest. And if he does not want to be investigated, please remove himself and allow this to come forth so that the people of LA are protected. Thank you.